Hi again, everybody. Thank you for watching this video. I was asked to do a demonstration comparing a real clavinet, the Clavinet Clone, against the MainStage Logic Clavinet, and I do have that. I've actually used that live in performance for many years, since like 2015-ish, around then. And I do have MainStage, and I have a Panorama P6 Nectar, so it integrates with MainStage. And yeah, so the setting I'm using for the vintage clavinet on MainStage is classic D6, and I just all I did was put the switches here into the same position. I didn't touch anything else, and the mute is all the way down. I could assure you, you can go try it too. Here we go. No, the mute is not on. All right, let's go up an octave then. Let's go up another octave. Alright, let's try a little funk thing here. So I hope this helps. Classic D6 was the setting. Yep, that's the one. That's the patch that I'm using in MainStage. So you can go compare if you get a copy of the Clavinet Clone. Thanks for watching.